Pow. It has a focusable light. Great is a Zippo light. It's that 1/4 inch hex wrench bit driver. Obviously the pocket I carry my pocket knife in, and really been enjoying adding these to my EDC. So it's the Foxedge FE520. That's a sweet EDC knife, very well built, very sharp. It's a 3.74 drop point flat grind blade. Pow! VG10 steel. It's freaking awesome. That's an awesome blade right there. Got yourself a glass breaker here on the back end. You got jimping here on the back for good grip. Adequate up here. You also have this indentation that kind of gives it a little bit more of a flare, drops a little bit of weight from the blade. I said this 1,000 times, nobody sharpens a knife like the Fox brand knives. Nobody. Fox knows how to sharpen freaking knives. So it's an 8.5 inch overall knife, and it weighs 6.7 ounces for those of you that are into the specs. This is a very, very good small compact flashlight, runs on a AA battery, has a Cree LED in it. Also we have the Battlbox logo there on the side so you can remember where you got this awesome flashlight from, Battlbox. And it's got a high vis orange button on the back. So it has a focusable light. You can push it in and out to focus it. Very good light, lasts a long time, and it has a nice clip on it. I keep one in my pickup truck as well, and it clips right into the A-pillar column by the left side of my steering wheel. When I need a flashlight, it's there. So great flashlight with a beautiful logo of Battlbox on it. All right, so next on the list is a Zippo lighter. Always great to have a lighter, some sort of form of ignition in your EDC. And just carrying a lighter, you know, versus carrying a fire starter and stuff, which you can do that. And I do that sometimes. Sometimes I think it's cool to carry a small little ferrocerium rod or something like that around with me, simply because it's also a conversation piece. People that see it and don't know nothing about that kind of stuff is kind of a conversation piece. So here you've got a Battlbox branded Zippo. It doesn't have any fuel in it. Obviously you've got to you know, add your fuel or whatever. Nice, compact, kind of stylish. So a great EDC is a Zippo lighter, and even better when it's got the Battlbox logo on there. So the fire escape multi-tool carabiner. Every pack should have a couple carabiners on it, and why not have one that has multiple uses, right? So it has this EverSpark fire wheel right here so that you can throw sparks to make fire. It works really good for starting, you know, just a regular old camp stove, and it has replaceable little ferro rods to put in there, so once you wear it out, you can replace that ferro rod in there. It also has a replaceable utility blade, so you can cut your seat belt, you can cut webbing, you can cut paracord, whatever. It has a carbide pen window breaker so that you have it in your vehicle and you can break glass if need be. It's got an oxygen bottle wrench right here, or you can use that opening right there to attach a key ring if you want, so it's not in the carabiner part of it there, as well as that 1/4 inch hex wrench bit driver. It's made of stainless steel, so it's really strong and only weighs 1.7 ounces, and it's rated for 125 pounds. All right, so here's your Smith Hudson Elite. There it says, I don't know if you can see it or not. Hudson Tactical Black TOT Optics. Very nice. Very comfortable. Do a great job, and really been enjoying adding these to my EDC. And now you can too. Dango Wallets A10 Adapt. This is a really cool freaking wallet right here. First off, it can hold 5 cards and cash. Well, let's say you got 5 more cards here. They go in like so. This is RFID protected. If you want to get your card out, you simply use your most used card on the top. Obviously, you easily just slide that out, and as you can hear, you hear that click. It snaps in there. These cards aren't coming out. If you want to get down into the other cards, you don't want to have to pull all your cards out. There's actually an indentation right here where you can get down, and you can get down into all the cards, push those up by pulling them out and cycling them down. You can actually put cash behind this card, and it will hide your cash in there and keep it captured. This is minimalistic, it's lightweight, and it kind of keeps you in check so you don't keep all the garbage that most of us men keep in our bifold wallets, which is unnecessary, right? Battlbox Larkin tactical pen. It's got the Battlbox Spartan helmet there on the top. It's a very cool pen right here. Been using this pen for quite some time and it writes great. It's a really, really good pen. It's very sturdy, doesn't rattle. Carbide tip, glass break right here. It is a replaceable cartridge. Oh, lost my spring. Replaceable cartridge pen. Been doing a lot of work around the office with this pen and keeping it in my pocket. It's got a very good clip on it here that is very strong and can clip into my pocket opposite of the pocket I carry my pocket knife in, and it doesn't go anywhere. It's always there when I need it, and can also be used in a self-defense application very well also. The Tactica M250, a really cool EDC item. It's kind of a toolbox in your hands. You push that rascal out just like that. And you can put that little holster aside. You got 12 bits and you've got 2 extras, right? But everything's captured in here really nice. Does not fall out. You've got Torx bits, you got standards, you got Phillips, you got Allens. You just push them down, pull it out. Yeehaw. Right here on the end, you've got your little hole you put it in that has a magnet, will not fall out. We've got an extension. Slides out. Put that in right here. Now we've got an extension. Ba-bam. Toolbox in your hand right there. Yeehaw. That's the Tactica M250. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. Again, I hope you like this video, hope you like this style. Like and comment down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button right there to subscribe to Battlbox, and we'll see you next month.